Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here to install and review the Sapphire X screen protector, a truly unique product made from lab-grown sapphire. This isn't a sapphire coating or something. The screen protector itself is made of 99% pure sapphire. And because sapphire is incredibly scratch resistant, this makes the Sapphire X the world's most scratch resistant screen protector. Basically, only diamond can scratch it. Let's get the screen protector installed on my iPhone 12 Pro and check it out. Looking at the contents of the box, this comes with 2 lens cleaning wipes for you to clean your screen with. We have a large dust removal sticker and some small ones as well. These also can be used for positioning. And then we have our installation frame and then the screen protector itself. If you look on the interior of the box, you can see some basic instructions for installation, as well as a QR code that you can scan, or you can also just go to their website to get a more in-depth installation video. To start off with, please keep in mind that dust is the enemy of a successful screen protector installation. So you're going to want to make sure to work in as clean and dust-free environment as possible. Also, make sure you have as much light as possible so that you can make sure that your screen is super clean before starting your installation. Obviously, you need to remove any screen protector you currently have on your phone, as well as any cases. Then use one of the included cleaning wipes, or perhaps both, to clean your screen, depending on how dirty it is. Then take your installation frame. Note that we have a top and a bottom to this, so make sure to put the top on the top and bottom on the bottom, and carefully place it over your phone. Next, you want to use the dust removal stickers to make sure you get any remaining dust off of your phone. Next, take out your super fancy sapphire screen protector from its protective wrapping. Note that this is a very stiff screen protector. It doesn't have much flex to it, and it's also on a stiff plastic board. You're going to need to peel this away from the backing very gently. But before you do that, I noticed in one of the videos online there was a very clever step of putting one of your dust removal and positioning stickers down here at the bottom prior to taking the screen protector off of its backing. This is so that you can easily lift up the screen protector later if need be. Now what we're going to do is peel away the plastic backing to expose the adhesive on the back of the sapphire screen protector. This is a relatively stiff plastic backing. The key here is to go carefully and slowly and not rush things. Don't touch the adhesive on the back of the screen protector. Just going to need to hold it by the edges. Next, do a last minute check for dust on your screen. Go over it with your dust removal sticker. Make sure everything is perfectly clean. Take your screen protector and gently lay it down within the confines of the installer. Slowly press down and watch as it adheres. You're going to want to start from the top. Once it's about 70% adhered, you can remove your frame. If need be, you can lift the screen protector back up using the dust removal sticker you have under the edge here. You might want to do that if you have air bubbles or if you have a bit of dust or something like that you need to remove. Right now, I'm not seeing any air bubbles or any trapped dust here, so I'm going to lift this up and remove the dust removal sticker, and then put the rest of the screen protector back down. Wow, gotta say, I think that this is absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at our results here. We ended up with a bubble-free, absolutely perfect install. So watch the videos for the installation on their website for ShellerUs, and it made it look a whole lot more difficult than it actually is. I actually did not find this to be difficult to install at all. It's a little bit more rigid than a standard glass screen protector, but the installation tools are good. Those are really good wet wipes they include, by the way, much better than your typical ones. They don't have a microfiber cloth included, but honestly, you really don't need one. And this was really a pretty easy install. And as you can see, this is very thin. Perfect, almost edge to edge here. Just enough space to put a case around it. And everything looks absolutely beautiful. So our edges are a little bit rounded here, have a very nice feel to them. Really nice alignment up here. The notch is completely covered here except for a space for your ear speaker. And it is super, super thin. I think everything here looks absolutely great. One thing to be aware of if you are extremely branding averse is that there is a tiny watermark down here at the bottom which says Sapphire. You can't see it when the screen is on. When the screen is off, if you really squint, you can see it, but it's very hard even to photograph. I don't think it's an issue, but I will bring it up because some people get very concerned about that. But honestly, in day-to-day use, you are absolutely not going to notice it. And I don't think anyone's going to look at your phone screen and say, oh, that's a Sapphire screen protector because it says Sapphire down here. Because honestly, they're not going to see it. Overall, this is just so pretty. This is really one of the nicest screen protectors I have ever had on my phone. Such a nice product. And I think it's so cool that it's lab-grown sapphire. It takes 30 days to grow the sapphire crystal, and then they slice it into the pieces that are used for screen protectors. Just really interesting. Just an outstanding product here from the folks at Shell R Us. In terms of look and feel, everything is absolutely outstanding here. As you can see, we've got beautiful optical clarity, slippery smooth screen. There's no issues with screen responsiveness. That is all great. Swiping, typing, texting, everything is just as you would expect it to be. The material has a very interesting feel to it. It's very slightly colder than a glass screen protector, and overall just has a lovely feel underneath the fingertips. We've got a great oleophobic coating here. Fingerprints don't stick easily on the screen, and if you get smears on the screen, they wipe away quite easily. Overall, just an outstanding screen protector. And again, the fit that we have on here, really excellent. This is still going to fit with a lot of cases, but it goes almost to the edge, but not quite. This fits great with the Symmetry Series Plus by OtterBox. Also going to fit well with spec cases, cases from Casetify, etc. I think overall this is just an outstanding screen protector. Lots to love, and it's so cool that this is made of genuine sapphire. Really a unique product from the folks at Shell R Us. Now, this is, as I said, the most scratch-resistant screen protector in the world because it's made from pure sapphire, and that is super scratch-resistant. It's 9 on the Mohs scale, which is different than 9 on the pencil hardness scale, which a lot of screen protectors talk about. Something that is 9 on the pencil hardness scale is really only about 6 or 7 on the Mohs scale, from what I understand. This is just a really, really hard screen protector, so it's going to be fantastic against scratching. However, it is relatively brittle, so in terms of impact resistance, this is not going to be any better than your typical tempered glass screen protector. This is not going to be particularly good against impact. If you're looking for something that's going to be very protective against impact, you're going to be better off getting something like the RhinoShield 3D Impact Screen Protector, which is a specialized polymer screen protector. Not so good against scratching, but very good against impact. So for this particular product, this is going to be great if you're the kind of person that really wants to avoid any scratches on your screen protector. You want something that is going to give you the look and feel of glass, or maybe even better. That's going to be really excellent here with your Sapphire X, but this is not going to give you fantastic impact protection, only fantastic scratch protection. So do keep that aspect in mind. Again, we've been looking at the Sapphire X screen protector for iPhone 12 Pro. It's available directly from the folks at ShellROS.com, and it has an MSRP of $72.99. However, if you use the discount code TheTechReviewer, you can save 10% on your purchase, so that helps offset the price a bit. Many thanks to the kind folks at Ross for sending me out this sample to review. If you have questions about this product, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer with the Sapphire X screen protector for iPhone 12 Pro. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.